topic is safety in school. So, safety in school. What are the safety rules you have to follow in the school? Just let us know. Okay. Do not push others on the stairs or while boarding the school bus. See, they are coming on the stairs by making the line. So you should not push. What will happen if you will do? You can fall from here and hurt yourself. And boarding means what? To get up into a vehicle. Here school bus is there. So when you are standing for the school bus or a school van or anything you are coming, you should not push in one another. Okay, you make a line and you should go over there. Then only you will be safe. Always walk in a queue. Always walk in a queue. So now do not leave school or go anywhere with a stranger. So your mother and father is not there at the school, right? Okay. So all are unknown person to you. If anybody says that you come to me, your mother and father has told me to take you off from the school, will you go with them? No, you should not go with them because they can harm you. You don't know that person and you don't know whether your father or mother has told them to go with them. Okay, so always avoid that. So you should not leave school or go anywhere with a stranger. Always throw waste into a dustbin. This is most important thing. So you know na, we should throw waste in the dustbin only, not anywhere else. Now the third point is safety on the road. Safety on the road. Never walk alone on the road. So you are a small child, you don't know how to walk on the road. So you should not walk alone on the road. Always walk with a grown up. So grown up means who are elder than you, bigger one, who has grown and they know how to all the rules and regulation. So you are a small, so you should take a grown up one, then only you should cross the road. Okay, so do not play or run on the road. So what will happen if you are playing with the playing on the road? See, here vehicle is coming, so it can hurt you and you can means accident can occur. So we should not play on the road. Okay, never stick out your hands or any other body parts when traveling in a moving car or buses. So you are traveling, suppose you are traveling by car and you want to come out because you like the situation. Okay, so never ever put your hands out of the window or any other body part. Otherwise what will happen? The accident can occur. Okay, now always cross the road at the zebra crossing. This is the zebra crossing. Why zebra is the name? Because if you will see zebra, white and black stripes are there. So likewise in the road also you can see white and black stripes are there. That is called the zebra crossing. So always cross the road at the zebra crossing with a grown up. So here you see we should cross the road with a grown up. See here, this is a little child and this is maybe grandfather. Okay, so he is holding his grandfather's hand and crossing the road. Now the next point is what? Safety on the playground. Safety on the playground. It is very important because we like to play and we enjoy when we are playing. Okay, so we should follow certain rules and regulation to prevent the accident. Otherwise, what will happen? You will be so sad. So it's better you should follow few rules, then only you will be happiest. Wait for your turn on the swings. This is the swing. Okay, so you have to wait. Don't push others, or you should not stand in front of it. Okay, so you should stand on the safe place. In the safe place you have to stand and you have to wait for your turn on the swings. Okay, do not stand in front of the moving swing. So this is moving swing and you should not stand in front of it. Otherwise it can hit you and you can fall, or it can do any accident of you. Now do not push others on the slides. Slides means sleeper. Okay, like this you have sleeper, no? There is a stairs and you come down from here, right? So this is the sliders. So you should not push others on the sliders. These are the few rules you should follow on the playground.